A cowboy woke up on the barroom floor. He drank so much he couldn't drink no more. So he fell asleep with a troubled brain and dreamed he was riding on a hell-bound train. Well, limbs for fuel, shovel and bone, while the furnace raged with 1,000 groans. The boilers were filled with the whiskey and beer, and the devil himself was the engineer. Oh, faster and faster the engine flew, wider and wider the country grew. On down the line with a mighty roar, the demon's power was waiting at that door. Then out of the distance there came a yell. Go faster, said the devil, we're near in hell. But he jumped about and he danced with glee. He joked and he laughed at the misery. He said, my faithful friends, you've done your job well, and I, as your Savior, will lead you into hell. Woke up off the barroom floor. He swore to the Lord he wouldn't drink no more, and his prayers and his vows were not in vain, for the Lord held a schedule of the hell-bound train. Yeah, the Lord held a schedule of the hell-bound train. Oh, the Lord held a schedule of the hell-bound train.